Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the host. Install Docker Engine and Docker Compose, then make a ~swag directory for persistent data. Once ready, pull the Linux server /swag image immediately so you have the exact runtime. Create a minimal Docker Compose. IML that mounts /config/certs and exposes 443 and 80. Write environment variables for PUID, pgid, and tz. This gets you into the first actionable state. Once done, stop and inspect the generated config files before continuing to DNS and proxy setup. Next, configure your domain and let's encrypt flow. Update your registrar to point a /AAA records to the host IP, then edit the swag/config/engine x/sitecomps to match your domain names. In the swag/config/let's encrypt config, set your contact email and challenge method. Use HTTP challenge for direct hosts or DNS challenge when using Cloudflare or other providers. Make sure any DNS API keys and credentials are in Docker Compose as environment variables. Once configured, bring the stack up so certificates can be requested automatically. Finally, run Docker Compose upd and monitor the Swag container logs to confirm certificate issuance and Nginx startup. Verify HTTPS by visiting your domain and inspect the certificate details under /config/let's encrypt. If the site does not serve, confirm ports 80 and 443 are forwarded and reachable, and that DNS has propagated. Make sure no other process binds those ports. If renewal problems appear later, check cron/docker restart behavior and DNS API credentials. Fix those broadly and restart the container to force recheck.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.